Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. In this video, we are going to talk about adding multiple matrices to a class. We are currently viewing the class matrix on the members page. Notice here that American History is a class for 7th through 12th grade, but it is only showing under the 7th or 8th grade column. We want it to also show up under the 9th or 12th grade column and allow students to register under either of those columns. And at the same time, we want the system to take into account the maximum number of students for both of these columns. So let's go to the admin page, and we are at the place of classes and then classes and rosters. Let's click open American History. Let's scroll down to the matrix settings, and here we're going to click on Add Matrix Column and Row. So we're going to choose our matrix, choose our grade, which is our 9th to 12th grade column, and the same classroom. Now I want you to be aware, let's scroll up a little bit and go under the registration tab. When you add matrices to a single class and you want to list your class in different sections of your matrix, please note that the system will look at your maximum students allowed and will calculate it according to how many students register in all of your classes total. So if you need to keep your roster separate and you need to keep count of the classes separately, you won't be able to use a multiple matrix feature. You'll need to use your save and duplicate and keep your roster separate that way. So let's scroll to the bottom and hit Save Changes. Now back at our class matrix, we're going to refresh it. And we'll notice here that American History now is listed under both the 7th and 8th and the 9th and 12th grade columns. When you click Open a Class, I can go ahead and see that I have registered Sally for this class. And if I clicked on the class under the 9th to 12th grade, again, it's going to show me that Sally is registered because the system sees her in both of those time slots one time. So again, it's going to take into consideration the total students that are registered in both of those slots. If you have further questions, please go to your admin homepage and create a ticket.